Today I'm here to introduce you to an amazing line of products, Preciosa Czech crystal. Preciosa is known for brilliant finishes and exceptional color, ideal for traditional and modern design. Whether you're looking for beads, rhinestones, or chatons, Preciosa crystals showcase quality only achievable from 400 years in the business. I want to start by showing you the Montee. The Montee is a flat back crystal and a metal setting that's cross-drilled. They're really great for weaving, as we've done in this earring here, for making crystal netting or mesh, or for sewing into your clothing. Next, let's look at the Rhinestone Rondelle. I just love these. It's a metal rondelle set all the way around with rhinestones. They're wonderful for adding bling to your jewelry, for adding great spacers to your stringing work. Next, let's look at the flat backs. Here are a couple of examples. We've got the heart here, we've got the pyramid here. They are so beautifully faceted and really add a lot of dimension to your piece. Here's a pair of earrings that I made just recently with the round flat backs. You can see how lightweight and blingy those are. I just love them. And here is a really trendy pair of earrings that I made the other day with some of the fancy cut flat backs. Aren't those gorgeous? Now I want to show you one of my favorite parts of the Preciosa line, and that's the fancy stones. I want to kick that off by showing you the Maxima chaton. These are absolutely gorgeous. Preciosa came out with this particular cut of fancy stone a few years back. They're actually capable of reflecting 264 individual rays of light, and that makes them the most brilliant chaton on the marketplace today. Absolutely love those. Here we have a bracelet and an earring set made with those Maximas. Aren't those gorgeous? So as well, in the fancy stones, we've got all kinds of different shapes. We've got the Rivolis, and they come in different colors and sizes. We've got the cushions shown in these. It's kind of a square cut. Aren't those beautiful? And we've got the pears. I just love the pears. They make such a gorgeous piece of jewelry. They also come in ovals. They're just phenomenal. Let's go ahead and take a look at Preciosa's crystal beads. We've got bicones and rounds in a really beautiful variety of colors and sizes. Here is a bracelet using the Preciosa rounds. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely love that. As well, Preciosa makes rondelle beads. Here's a rondelle. I really enjoy the rondelle shape as a break from the bicones and the rounds. Last, we've got the Preciosa Pearls. I adore these. Now, you don't always think of crystal and pearl, but Preciosa Pearls have a crystal core with an exquisite coating on the outside. They're really lustrous. They come in beautiful shades. Here are a couple of pairs of earrings that I've made with the pearls. Here's one with a half drill pearl and a full drill pearl at the bottom. And here's one that's been made recently with the teardrop shape. So be sure to check out our wide selection of Preciosa crystal to bring world-renowned sparkle and shimmer to your work. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and we'll see you next time.